Hello everybody, this is Jerry again. I'm gonna make a video on this washer. It's a GE and finally has stopped working after many years of use, so it's a pretty good washer. But now I'm just gonna scrap it, and it has a stainless steel drum, so that's pretty good. I already have taken the screws from the back and from the top. You can see it has a lot of water in there too, so let me go ahead and take it apart, then I will show you the rest. Okay, so far I took the top off and it has a lot of wire, as you can see. So let's keep breaking it apart. Okay, I removed the top, as you can see. Also took some screws from here, from there, and over here. I cut the wire already, some of it. So let's continue. Okay, we're in the front now, and after playing with it for a little bit, I found out that it has like two little taps right there that you have to hit with the screwdriver, flat screwdriver. Here's the other one, as you can see right there. So this goes down, and that's how it looks inside. Okay, now we are ready to move forward and take the top off. So I found two screws. There you go. They were right here, and another one right here. So let's go ahead and take the top off. So you just jank it and it should come off just like that. And let's look inside. Today's a beautiful day. Probably it's like 75 around there degrees. Like I said, this is stainless steel. That's good. We have the little motor right there. I already went ahead and removed all the wiring. Okay, we are pretty much done. I took the sides that they were right here, and the top part I have to cut right there. It's like an elastic. Sorry for the noise, but there's a drum, and after I take the drum, there's not a lot left. Okay, I'm done. There's the wire that I took out, plastic stuff, some metal. That's more metal right there. What I'm gonna do with this, I'm just gonna do another video another day. If you want to see it, comment and let me know. The motor, it's fine. I'm not even gonna cut it to test to see if it's copper or not, because the problem was it was just not draining the water. So the motor is good. Probably the motor, I'm gonna keep it and do an experiment with it, you know, another project or something. So this is all I have. The drum, I'm gonna take it apart because it has stainless steel, so this plastic has to go. Thanks for watching this video. I enjoyed making it, and let me know what else you want me to break apart.